What's up guys? So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a Christmas room tour. So please excuse the very informal intro. I feel like the lighting is just not good where I normally do my intro, and the lights on my Christmas tree are also not working, and that's where I like to film in front of. So yeah, this is what my intro is going to look like. So if you want to see what I did with my room, just keep watching. But really quick, before we jump into the video, it would mean the world to me if you guys could subscribe by hitting that little red button down below. You can also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys want to see what my bedroom looks like now for the holidays, then just keep watching. So coming into my room, this is what you see when you first step in. I have my garbage here and this little turtle just holding my door open, so I'm going to close it so I can show you the rest. So I keep my purse hanging on the back of my door, and then behind that I just have this really cool mirror from IKEA. Again, this little turtle that holds my door open. I don't actually know where we got it from, but we've had it forever. It used to hold open our bathroom door, but I have it in my room now. Over here is just a Lucas food. I don't really have a spot for him in my room because normally over there is where I keep all my laundry. So yeah, I just have his food and water in here. And then this is my vanity. Same vanity you've seen in every video of mine that I do room tours. It's the Alex 5 drawers from IKEA. I just have a regular tabletop, and then this is like a little white egg chair from IKEA as well. This throw is from Pink. Sorry, it's from Aerie, not Pink. I got it for spending like over a certain amount of money on Black Friday. And then on my vanity, I just have my little mirror. I think this one is from Marshalls. My little bunnies earn this cute polar bear holder from Bath & Body Works. And then I have a Whiteman Latte currently burning. It's my favorite scent. This is my second one I've burned almost fully through. And I have a third one just in case. This mirror is from IKEA as well, like the most of the stuff in my room. Just my laptop and phone. I was watching Polar Express earlier. And then this is where I keep all of my everyday makeup. Everything else I just have kind of like hidden away in the drawers. This is just the stuff I reach for the most, and I got this little divider from Dollarama. It's super cute. I still have my little fall bucket, but I haven't found anything else to replace it for. Like, that's more wintry, so I just keep it in there. And then I have a really cool salt lamp. This one is from Showcase. It changes colors. I should have it plugged in. There we go. Okay, that looks much cuter. So yeah, I got that from Showcase. Bailey picked it up for me, I think when I was sick a couple of years ago. I think it's really, really cute. And then this is just where our TV stand is and dresser. This dresser is just from IKEA. I have this little mouse. I don't remember where I got him. Same with those ones along the side. But I think little Christmas mice are so cute. They remind me of the mice from Muppets Christmas Carol. So every time I see one, I pick them up. And then I have a little speaker here that I won from Bath & Body Works. I have my ball caps up here. So this one's from Monsters U. So I got this when I was in Disney last year. And then I just have a Jay's hat there. This is a really cute painting that my dad picked up for me a couple of Christmases ago. And it's called Bonnie and Clyde. There we go. Okay, next to that is just my window, and I have all of my Bath & Body Works candles. That's a lie. I have like most of my winter stuff. I have some more underneath my bed and then in storage. The ones I have out right now are Fresh Sparkling Snow, Winter Candy Apple, another White Mint Latte, Dashing Through the Snow, Twisted Peppermint, and then Alpine Cheer. These are some of my favorite holiday scents. I just don't have enough room in my bedroom to keep them. And then tucked away in here, I just have all my Christmas presents, so I'm not going to show you that, just in case any of my family is watching this. So my actual bed is from IKEA. You can't really see what it looks like, but it's the same one I've had in all of my room tours. My actual bedding though is from Walmart. The pillows in the back are from either Home Outfitters or Bed Bath & Beyond, but I'm pretty sure it's Home Outfitters. And then the pillows are just ones I've had forever. This cute red throw is from Mark's Work Warehouse. And then my string lights that I have up are just from Walmart. They were super, super cheap. I think they were only like $9. And yeah, I think they're so fun and colorful. Moving over here, just next to my bed, I just have my little bedside table from IKEA. This is my Yode watch. I had done a video with them previously, and I just keep it here. I keep chocolates that the kids from my placement have given me, and then I just keep my watch above just so that I don't forget to wear it every morning. And then I just have a cream always. Next to my bed right now, I just have the spiced gingerbread swirl from Bath & Body Works. And then I also have the peppermint 5-in-1 mist. So I actually use this to spray on my bed before I go to bed every single night. I just really like the smell of it. And then I also have a little snow globe, and I found this at Bath & Body Works too. Like, I think it was probably like 3 years ago. And my mom got it for me. I think it's so cute. And then next to that, I have my little tree, and I'm so sad. I had green lights, but they're not working for whatever reason. They're just from the dollar store, so it honestly doesn't surprise me. But they were cute. They were these little green Christmas trees, and they lit up, and it was so cute. And I even have like green ornaments to match. And then I just have other little ornaments that the kids, again, from placement had given me. Next to that, I have my big mirror. This one's from Yisk that I got from my aunt. I think it was last year for Christmas, and I think it's so beautiful. I feel like I've seen so many people on YouTube with this exact same mirror, and I'm obsessed with it. I feel like it makes my room look a lot bigger. It looks very vintage and unique. I think it's super cool. And then I just have some of this tinsel hanging above to look a little bit more festive. And then I think the last thing is just Luca's little cat house that he never uses, and my layup that I got a couple years ago. But yeah, that's pretty much what my room looks like. I'll just do another pan of it so you can see what it looks like. I feel like the biggest thing is I just kind of moved everything around, but everything that I have in my room is basically the same. Okay, so that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, sorry for like the informal vlog style intro and outro. I'm just working with the lighting that I have right now. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe down below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm really sorry that I've been lacking on like main channel upload videos, like more edited / sit down videos. I've been doing more like vlogs. I hope that's okay with you guys. I've just been super busy. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Don't let it in, don't let me go now.